What have I been saying? I'm gonna be honest. My last live stream had something happen off the band, so I had to get off. But look here. Do you see what happened with my trade? You know, we based our knowledge off risk on, risk off settlement. We based our trades off of just the overall settlement of the market. Okay, I know what the Fed has planned. I know what the Fed is gonna do. I know they're raising all these basic points. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. By the way, you tuned in to Headquarters Profit. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm so proud of you guys, because you know, one of the biggest issues that we have, one of the biggest problems that we have is just showing up, point blank period. We got to show up every single day to the market. Every single day, okay? Every single day we show up and we get results like this. How far up can we go? How far up can we go here? The US dollar is at an all-time high, guys. Let me see how many. Okay, it's almost 140. Wait a minute, let me look at the Great Britain pound. Let me see how the pound doing though. Because this is going to be concerning if the pound is also doing well. I want only USD strength, okay? That's all. And actually, I think I'm about to take it's over with. We out. We out of this trade, shawty. Yeah, we out. And we are big. Let me take let's see, take that one out too. Let me take my other one out. We out big. This why we stay up all those hours, guys. You know, the lack of sleep and the sacrifice. Second to none. Second to none, man. Today has been a great day. Hopefully I can re-upload that last live I just had, man. We're looking at the USD JP. What we were looking at. Let me get back to it. USD JPY. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ 100 is under so much pressure, man. You got all equities under pressure. Yep. The NASDAQ has fallen. It ain't fell too far, but we broke through resistance. So if you trade in the NASDAQ, you might want to jump into this too. Who's to say? Who knows, you know? Who would say that you're wrong? You understand what I'm saying? So, give or take, man. I just had to jump back on here right quick to gloat, to tell you guys that I was right. Yeah, I got interrupted. I'm trying to figure out, because some crazy things, weird stuff got happened on my other stream. I'm trying to figure out how to edit it out and whatnot, man. Might just be in a bind. But we put the market in a bind today. Let me go look at it, because I like to monitor, and I like for the trade to flip against me. Damn, it didn't. Oh, Rudy. This past I ate all that up too, so I'm out of it now. But man, all the hours, all that's worth it. That's what makes it worth it, man. So to sum it all up, okay, we've been having bullish momentum. I decided just to get in after I heard the news, after I heard the unemployment numbers. Our unemployment numbers are actually good, and good news for us is bad news for the Fed, because they really trying to loosen things. You know, they want things to get a little loose so they can get some of that money back. So I think Heavy Cake already sold up. Let me see what this thing doing. I know Heavy Cake take profit up. It's Heavy Cake taking profit, so that's where we're gonna see some rejection here. Heavy Cake taking profit. I'm Heavy Cake. You see, we out the trade. No, I'm just talking shit. Don't let me get to talking now. Don't let me get to talking. Lose 20 trades in a row on live with y'all. But yeah, man, how y'all feeling about this though? How y'all feeling about the USD being so strong compared to the euro? as well. And I was in that. I'm actually still holding that on some bullshit. A couple little pips. I got a lot of little trades that I just got running, man. Just running. So I've been in the short. I've been in that short since, dude. I caught that short for so long. I ain't been in it when I'm looking at the monthly chart. Yeah, I've been in this short for a minute. It been a while since I was in this short. I took this when I was in Holly Springs, Mississippi, man. Like last month, I stayed 2 months and a half almost over there trying to take care of my mom, hooking my mom up. This was, and I like doing this because I'm able to now spend a little bit more time and do things that I like to do instead of being dedicated to some place or something like that. Being dedicated to some place. I'm dedicated to me. How about that? Who wants to buy the euro down? Ooh, hey, the euro gonna have to do something bad to get back to parity. Because, man, but I just had to. I was so excited after BAM happened. Let me see what the NASDAQ study doing. Yeah. So you would have caught your sale. You could catch this sale right here if you want to. Maybe. Does the NASDAQ want to continue down? Who knows? I'll jump back on here and gloat though. I get the gloating on here. I'm excited, man. How many cats get on here and just give out free money, man? Like that. Alright, I'm not going to be able to advise you on your Jordans. I'm not going to be able to advise you on your swag, man. But I can tell you about that USD versus that yen, dog. I'm telling you right now. And if you walk up to me talking about some shoes or something, I ain't going to just slap you per se in the face, but I may get offended. I may get offended if you walk up to me talking about some shoes or something, dog. But, ooh, the NASDAQ pop back up. But we gonna see the fall. Go ahead and sit. Oh, I got some more company. But hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. Let me bro.
Hey, the guy that works with me, he